Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name's Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from GBFKE. So I have a couple of sort of tools items to share with you as well as a diamond painting. So I'm going to sort of start with this, but I may go back to it afterwards. But this is very similar. There has been a few different sort of framing or trimming options that I have seen come about recently. Let me just get this one out of the packet. But this is one for people that like their bling. There are a few different colours. I went for a sort of silver and a black, but this is sticky on the back. So this could be an amazing border to a painting, especially if you like that extra bit of sparkle. It's as though, well, in fact, it pretty much has loads and loads of diamonds, but actually with a diamond shape. So rather than a flat bottom, there's actually loads and loads of individual diamonds stuck to this tape. So it could be used for anything. It could be used to pretty up maybe a notebook that you use or a logbook that you use for your diamond painting. It could be used to pretty up some storage that you've got or some drawers that you use to put your diamond painting in. It has got a sticky back as well, or you could use it for mounting or putting around the edge of a diamond painting. Or many other different projects. But if you like a bit of sparkle, this tape will definitely give you that. So I'll show you what it looks like next to the diamond painting when I open that. But that is item number one. Number two is another form of clips. So you can use, well, I do use some clips similar to this, but they're actually quite a bit bigger for when I want to clip my diamond painting to my easel. But sometimes they're just too big. I actually want something a little bit smaller, especially if I'm wanting to clip it to, if I want to put it round a piece of pipe lagging and I just want to clip it around so that it holds in place. So GBFKE do this set of 3 clips. They're actually down as cross-stitch clips, but it can be used for diamond painting. Now you can still use this to hold your diamond painting to your light pad or your easel, and it takes up less space than the bigger ones that I've had before. Or you can use this to clip it to something round, a bit smaller than a pool noodle probably, but if you've got a piece of pipe lagging, you can then use that to sort of clip your diamond painting around it, and the pipe lagging will nestle in there and the clips will hold your painting to it. So very handy to have, especially when you want to stop your painting sliding down, especially if you're near the top or the bottom. I start from the bottom, so when I get near the top, I have all the heavy diamond painting with the diamonds on at the bottom. So I love to use clips to keep it on my light pad and my easel. So that's what I plan on using these slightly smaller clips for. So that's item number 2. And then we have a diamond painting. Now this is a big one. This is an 80 by 40. So a nice chunky diamond painting. It has 24 different colours, but I just thought it was gorgeous. Let me just move my tape. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So we've got a blossom tree over the river and moonlight. And I just thought it was beautiful. So it has 24 different colours. It is round. You do actually get 2 toolkits. So if you want to share, don't know why you would, but you could. The actual diamond painting size is a 35 by 75 or just under 75. It actually has quite a bit of confetti but mixed in with some blockiness, so it's a nice bit of both. This one, you know, you could tip out the symbol W and do quite a bit in between all the branches, but then you've got quite a few nice colours to break it up afterwards. And then even this side, you've got some blocks of colour here, but then as you go into the moon you get quite a few different colours. Then you've got another bit of blockiness, but then the effect on the water, the moon on the water, is made up of loads of different colours. So it's a nice painting to be able to do a bit of blockiness and a bit of confetti, which is when symbols are scattered all over the place. Colours wise, we do have 310 in this. We don't have 939, but we do have 310. So let's start from the 310 end. So we have some 154 and then 310. We've got 4 bags of 310, so that's not too bad really. Is 310 the W? It is. 310 is the W. So you will find there's a scattering of it all behind the branches and a bit across the top and a bit across the bottom here. We then have some greys, a few different shades of grey, some gorgeous blue, beige, and then we've got some lighter colours, some more blues, browns, greens. Look at that green as well. And then in the next strip, here comes some more vibrant greens and some beautiful pinks to make that blossom. More blues. Oh, look at those. Gorgeous. And then some brown and then some white as well. So really nice colours, and those pink ones will definitely pop once it's done. Of course, you've got the browns in the trees. You've got the black is scattered a lot behind, so you don't feel like you're doing loads of 310. It's probably only a couple of sections here where you'll feel like you're doing a little bit more, but beautiful nonetheless. So that is the big diamond painting. And then you could, I'm not sure whether it would work the best on this one, but the idea with this tape is you can use it to frame up your diamond painting. Probably work better with a smaller one unless you've got a couple of rolls. But the idea is you can create a frame or a border trim around a painting to give it a bit more jazz. Depends on the painting you're doing as to which painting will suit. But that's the idea of this. And it will cover up your key as well. So if you like to keep hold of the full diamond painting but want to cover up your key, this will definitely do it. That's for sure. Maybe you could do this along with some of those wooden hangers and have some fancy trim down the side and your wooden hangers across the top to be able to hang it from your wall. Loads and loads of different options. And then of course you can use these to help clip a big painting to your light pad. So I'll pop links to all of these down below. I'm pretty sure these were in the cross stitch section. But still definitely worth a gander because there's many things that cross over into both crafts. But yeah, thank you so much to GBFKE for sending me these to share with you all. I'll pop links down below to the individual items, but this is definitely available in quite a few more different colours. So have a little scout around and see if one takes your fancy. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon.